Good. Begyan. And Yojan, where is your answer? Okay. You found the answer, Yojan? Okay. Then let us go to next line. Cutting trees or log. We don't have in the book. We don't have this answer in the book. Cutting trees or log. I will say you in Nepali. You should know how to write. If you don't know, take the help of your parents. रुख काट्ने र मुडाहरू काट्ने. रुखका ठुल्ठुला मुडाहरू हुन्छन् नि गोलो गोलो, हो त्यो काट्ने केले काट्छ मामले? हो त्यो तिमीहरूले आफै प्यारेन्ट्सलाई सोधेर लेख. यदि तिमीहरूलाई आउँछ भने तिमीहरूले आफै लेख. Cutting trees or log. How many of you know the answer? Sanskar, Begyan. Good, Begyan. Sanskar, you know the answer? Cutting trees or log? Bijay Vikram, have you found the answer? Are you hearing me, all of you? Yes, if you are hearing, then I am also happy for that. Let me see some other students. Pratham Gurung, Ayush Bhandari, Barsha, Britina. Got the answer? Okay, good students. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Then Gunjan, Arju, Srija, Nirmala. Have you got the answer? Nirmala, have you got the answer? Srija, Bhandari. Okay. Then let us now go to the next one. Trimming hair. Trimming hair means to cut the hair. What we use to cut our hair? Knife? We use knife. No, we never cut our hair with knife. I think you know the answer. You go to a beauty parlor, you go to a salon to cut your hair, then what instrument, what tools does a barber and a beauty parlor beautician use? If you don't know down, if you know up, how we cut our hair, what we use? With what we cut our hair? Do you know the answer? Then give me a thumb. Gunjan, I think you don't know. You did not get the answer. Gunjan, you know the answer? Arju, you know the answer? With what we cut our hair? You have to write that tools, equipments. Now you know? Yes. Children are very smart. Students are very smart. Now let me see some other students. And cutting vegetables. So easy it is. Monica, have you found the answer? Sushant Karki, have you found the answer? Write in your book. Asmi Tiwari, Anurag Chetri, very easy today. So you write in your book. Answer. So from the beginning, I will tell you all. Again, I will repeat. Yes, Anmol Bhattrai, Bina Pokhrel, Bibisha, Karun Khanal. Are you hearing me? Can you hear my sound? Yes. Bibisha, have you wrote? Did you know the answer? Bibisha? No. Bibisha, what is this? This or this? So again, I am going. Yes, good. So digging soil or earth, what tools a farmer use? So you have to write that. Page number 9. Answer is first paragraph, Rita's father. Cutting grass and grain crops. Again, your answer is in same paragraph, last line. Then cutting trees or log. I told you, you have to write yourself. You have to write by yourself. Something you have to do by yourself, no? Karuna, Ilina, Utsav, Srishti. Something you have to write by yourself. Then trimming hair, to cut the hair. Where you go to cut your hair? What tools does the people use? Yes, we never cut our hair with a knife or a sickle or a digging fork. You know the answer. I want you all to be very smart. Then cutting vegetables, very easy. If you don't know, you can ask your mother with what she cut the vegetables. So I think we all know. You have to do in the book with your good handwriting, correct spellings. Now let us go to exercise 5. This is also easy. Look at the following tools and write their uses. Also write who used them. To answer, you have to write. What is the first picture? It is a scissor. Scissor, yes. And scissor is used for what? Just now I told. To cut our hair. Scissor to cut the clothes. Tailor master used scissor to cut the clothes. Yes or no? Then who used them? Which people use? Which occupational people use? Who use them? First one only I'll tell you. For the picture is scissor. What does it? For what it is used? It is used to trim our hair. It is used to trim our hair. It is used to cut the clothes. Who use? Barber and a tailor master. Two answers is required. Barber and a tailor master. Srishti, are you clear? Are you following me? Barber and a tailor master. So for number 1, I have done for you. So number 2, this is axe. Or for what it is used? It is used to what? Then who use? That also. And sewing machine is there. For what it is used? It is used to do what? And who use? To answer. And here it is stethoscope. For what it is used? Here they put here and they check our heartbeat. Yes. Who check our heartbeat? Yes or no? Who use? For what it is used? And here it is what? Saw. Who use? It is in page number 9. Shivam is a carpenter. It is there. Answer. Who use and for what it is used? Osis Devkota, you are not clear, I think. I think you are confused. Again, I will say saw. What is this? It is a saw. And who use? It is in page number 9. Shivam is a carpenter. Who use? Answer is there. And for what it is used? What does he do with this saw? That answer, you have to write it by yourself. Short answer in the book. Very short. And another one there, have you seen? It is a shovel. Shovel. I think you have done in class 3. Shovel. And it is used for what? To dig the soil. To take out the mud. Who use? These tools, it is used by a person who build our houses. In a short form, what it is called? You have to do this by yourself. Today I am not helping you. Today I am not helping you. You have to do it. You know it. You all are very smart. And you write the answer. To answer it will be in the book. Very short. On the top, first one is Caesar. Caesar को छेउमै जुन खाली ठाउँ छ त्यही लेख्ने एउटा एन्सर. त्यसपछिको एन्सर त कालो लाइनमा लेख्ने. फर्स्ट यो के को लागि काम लाग्छ, राइट देयर युजेस, कोले युज गर्छ त्यो पनि लेख्ने नाम. So this is easy, you will do in the book. And I will tell you to do homework. You draw in your copy, fair copy, social copy. Yes, draw in the copy, write the uses and write who use, everything. First you do in the book, now you do in the book, and as a homework you do in your copy. अनि तिमीहरूले पिक्चर फोटो खिचेर जब पठान्छौ त्यति बेलामा बुकको पठाउने कपीको पठाउने, एउटा मात्रै पठाउने. बुकमा तिमीले अहिले लेखेछौ त्यो बुकमै रन दिने. एउटै एन्सर दुई पटक किन गर्न पर्यो हैन, किन पिक्चर फोटो किन खिच्नु पर्यो. तिमीले कपीमा लेखेको राम्रो क्लियर हुन्छ मात्रै फोटो खिचेर मलाई आउने. बुकको त तिमीहरूले आफै जान्नको लागि हो. So now this is exercise 5. Do in the book as your classwork, and again exercise 5. Do in your fair copy social as your homework. Beautifully you have to draw. And exercise 4 you will do only in the book, not in the copy. Because the name only you have to write. You can do it. Okay, now if you finish this, then I will give you page number 10, spellings to read. Spellings to read, okay? Children, Ashish Giri, are you following me? Do you know? Are you clear? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, give me a thumb. यसरी यस्तो गर्ने म तिमीले मेरो आवाज सुनेछौ भने है. Sahir, can you hear me? Yes. So yesterday I have given you page number 8, page number 9 to underline the words, and those underlined words you have to read. I told you yesterday, and I think you have read. Om Panthi, Anurag Chetri, Elisa Khatri, Anmol Bhattrai. I think you have read. I know you all are very good students, very obedient students. Yes, Arju, Sumit Thapa, Vivek Bhattrai, Priyans, everybody from here I can see you all. So now we will go to page number 10. I will give you, again you will underline with your pencil. Are you ready for page number 10? If you read nicely, social studies is very easy. If you read nicely, then this subject is very easy. So, Mohan, underline the word Mohan. Underline the word Mohan. Sahir, Avishkar, Srishti, underline the word Mohan. Then mechanic is there. Underline the word mechanic. Then repairs. Underline the word repairs. Repairs is there. Then vehicles also underline. So difficult these words. If you know the spelling, it will be easy for you. Vehicles, then bicycle, bicycle, underline the word bicycle, then motorbike, motorbike, underline. Then from there, you go to difficult. Difficult is there. Yes. Then various. Various is also there in the third line. Third line in the corner. Third line in the corner. He uses various. Tools. Tools also underline. Spanners. Spanners also underline. Wrenches. Wrenches also underline. Hammers. Hammers also underline. Tire levers. Tire levers also underline. Wheel tuning stand. Wheel trimming stand. Wheel trimming stand, underline. Have you seen the picture here? Mohan is a mechanic. So these are the tools used by a mechanic. Wrencher, spanners, all these. Then now we will go to next paragraph. Next paragraph. Doctor, hospital. Doctor, hospital, cares, 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 sick people, treats, treats, underline. You have to read it, children. Then equipments, equipments. Then blood pressure, blood pressure. Are you clear, all of you? Blood pressure. Instruments, instruments. Spike manometer. So difficult. See? Spike manometer. You have to divide the word. Three words you have to take, you have to pronounce, then you have to, three letters you have to take, you have to pronounce, then you have to join all these letters, and it will become one word. Then you can write it clearly. Spike manometer, that is called, that is the instrument of a doctor. And stethoscope. Stethoscope means they put in the ear and they check the heartbeats. And blood pressure instrument is called this, sphygmomanometer. Then thermometer. I hope we all have thermometer at home to check the temperature of the body. That is called fever. And forceps. Forceps. Forceps is also a kind of scissor used by a doctor in operation theater, operation room. Scissors. Scissors also. Yes? Have you found Samragi Neupane? Have you found? Yojan Pangeni? No. Okay. Then let us go to the last paragraph. Last paragraph. Different, different underline, according underline, occupations underline, occupations, then easier, easier, faster, complete, possess, in a red ink it is written possess, possess proper skills and safely, it is written in the next line, safely. Then last line in red ink, efficient, efficient, and very last word, it is durable, durable. Again, I will say these all to you. From the beginning, Mohan is a mechanic. Mohan, underline, have you checked the answer? Check the underlined words. Mohan, mechanic, repairs vehicles. Mohan, mechanic, repairs vehicles, bicycle or bicycle, whatever you say, and motorbike. Then after that, you go to different, various, tools, spanner, wrenchers, hammers. Check the underlined words. Hammers, tire levers, wheel tuning stand, wheel tuning stand. After that, we go to doctor. Then we go to hospital, cares, treats, then equipments, then blood pressure, instruments, manometer, stethoscope, thermometer, forceps, scissors. Then last paragraph, different according occupations, easier, faster, complete. Then we go to possess, red ink it is written, proper, skill. Then after that we go to safely, next line. After that we go to efficient. Then we go to durable. So I hope you all have underlined all these words. And today homework it is to read with spelling. And it will be helpful to you in the answers. And I have given you homework to read these spellings. Then after that homework, it is exercise 5 to do in fair copy, to draw, to write their uses and who use. Same like you will do in the book. You will do first in the book 2 to answer. Then you will do again this in the copy. Neat and clean. राम्ररी कपीमा गर्ने, एउटा पन्नामा 3टा नबनाउने, फरक फरक हिसाबले बनाउने, राम्रो होस्। यस्तै गरेर एउटा पन्नामा गर्छौ 6वटै बनाउँछौ भने पनि तिमीहरुको क्लियर हुन पर्यो, सफा हुन पर्यो, त्यसको लेखेको आन्सर राइट हुन पर्यो। And exercise 4 you do in the book, no need to do in the copy. Okay? Next time we will do in the copy. Then we will finish now we will finish only lesson 2. बल्ल हामीले lesson 2 भ्याउँछौं यति गरेर भ्याएपछि। अनि lesson 1 र lesson 2 को question answerहरु सबै एक्सरसाइजहरु अब पढ्ने हो। Today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday तिमीहरुसित 4 दिन छ। 4 दिनमा तिमीहरुले यो सोशलको होमवर्क पनि गर्न पर्यो आज दिएको, अनि लेसन 1 को क्वेशन आन्सर पनि पढ्न पर्यो, लेसन 2 को पनि पढ्न पर्यो। मलाई थाहा छ तिमीहरु एकदम ज्ञानी छौ, एकदमै भनेको मान्ने ज्ञानी स्टुडेन्ट छौ। आमा बाबाको ज्ञानी छोराछोरी हो। मम्मी बाबालाई दुःख दिन्नौ तिमीहरुले, खुरु खुरु बसेर पढ्छौ हैन। यो जन किन हाँस्यो, यो जन किन गुड बोय हैन र, दुःख दिन्छौ तिमीले मम्मी बाबालाई घर। त्यस्तै लाग्यो है मलाई त। तिमीहरूले दुःख दिन हुँदैन बाबा मम्मीलाई, खुरुखुरु बसेर पढ्न पर्छ। अनि टिचरले भनेको मान्यौ र राम्रोसँग पढ्यौ भने टिचरले कति माया गर्नुहुन्छ। अनि अब एक्जाम पनि आउँछ, अब नजिकै छ, चाँडै एक्जाम आउँछ, एक्जाममा लेख्न पर्छ नहेरिकन, त्यति बेला कति गाह्रो हुन्छ। पास पनि त हुन पर्यो, राम्रो नम्बर लिएर, राम्रो नम्बर लिएर पोजिसन आएर पास पनि त हुन पर्यो। Yes or no? Yes. All of you understood what I told? Do you have any problem? Then finger up. Do. If there is any problem. कुनै कुरा बुझेको छैनौ भने भन मलाई, यस्तो गर पहिला, बुझे छैनौ भने। त्यो हो नि त। एकैचोटि बोल्छ न। हजुर, यस। आफ्नो पहिला नाम भन है। तिमीलाई समस्या भयो भने तिमीले आफ्नो नाम पनि होमवर्क त एक्सरसाइज 5 मात्रै हो। एक्सरसाइज 5 को कपीमा गर्ने। पेज नम्बर 12 को एक्सरसाइज 5 कपीमा गर्ने। तिमीले जसरी बुकमा गर्छौ नि अहिले भर्खरै तिमीलाई